My name is Vilajar Pramod Safle. I am from Nagpur. Currently, I am pursuing mechanical engineering. Parallelly, I joined the World of Automation for HVAC class, and also they provide the automation which is required for HVAC controlling. In HVAC, I learned heat load calculation, VRF, chiller, ducting, and the teaching staff is very good. Also, HR team is very supportive. And they provide the excellent opportunity. That's why I got a place in reputed company before completing my engineering. Thank you for World of Automation family.